Hi YouTube!
Hi YouTube!
So today we are going to be reviewing this Play-Doh Ariel Royal Vanity. Oh my gosh, so much fun. Ambi is so excited to open this up and see all the goodies we have inside. Alright, so we just opened up the package and it comes with a cute Ariel doll figure. The entire vanity, which has like a nice necklace cutter, and comes with 2 dress cutters in the little drawers. And it comes with a roller, 3 Play-Dohs. It comes in bright pink, neon pink, and a turquoise green. Okay, so now we are going to make the top part of her dress. We already have the bottom all cut down. Ambi did that. She's actually really good with the flowers. Better than me. I'm guessing it's because she has small little hands to deal with. So we just cut out the dress, and now I'm just taking it apart. I like how they actually have a full sleeve outfit for her. So there you go. Put it on. Look at that. On her top. Okay. And it comes with a bow. Put the bow on her hair. Right there. Not like that. Other way. Here we go. Up. And her arms. Yeah, like that. Oh wait. Flip it. Like that. There you go. So that's that. It kind of got a little bit of streak of blue in there, so you have to be careful that you don't mix up your Play-Doh colors when you're making her dress. And now we're going to work on her jewelry and accessories. Alright, so we're going to use, for the accessories, we have the whole vanity, the mirror portion part for all the purses and stuff that she wants to put in here. So you want to do that. Let's do that green so it doesn't clash with the pink. Okay. So roll it a little bit more. Okay, yeah, or do what she's doing right now. Good job. Yeah, take it up. Let me see. Oh, that's so cute. So now we have ourselves the little fan. And there we go. So now she has a little fan that sticks to her hand. How cute. I just wish the Play-Doh would stick on the dress a little bit better. So you really have to press on it. Yeah.
Like I made it by myself.
She didn't really make it by herself, but we'll let her think that. So this is the final product of Ariel. We got all creative and decided to mix all the different colors together and use the green for mainly her accessories, and that is how she looks. So pretty much with this whole kit, you can just be creative, make different sorts of dresses and jewelry, and just have a good time.
Play with us.
Thank you. Hope you enjoy and subscribe, please.